In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill an existing listing using Sam's Club and Amazon. We'll start inside Amazon Seller Central. First, log into your account and go to Orders, then Manage Orders. From there, open the customer order you want to fulfill. This is where you'll review the shipping details carefully before placing anything on the supplier side. Next, copy the customer's full name and shipping address. If a phone number is required for delivery, make sure to copy that as well. Be very careful at this stage, because even a small mistake in the delivery information can cause delays or failed delivery attempts. Since this is customer information, handle it securely and only use it where needed to complete the order. Once you have the order details, log into your Sam's Club account. Search for the exact product that matches your Amazon listing. It's important to make sure the item is the same in every key way, including size, quantity, variation, color, and model, so the customer receives exactly what they ordered. After confirming the match, add the item to your cart, then move to checkout and enter the Amazon customer's shipping address as the delivery address. Double check everything before continuing. During checkout, use standard shipping if it will still arrive by Amazon's promised delivery date. The goal is to meet the delivery expectation without choosing a shipping option that is unnecessary. Also, make sure not to include any gift receipts or promotional messages, since the shipment should stay as clean and neutral as possible. After that, place the order and wait for Sam's Club to ship the item. Once the order has shipped and a tracking number is available, go back to Amazon Seller Central. Open that same customer order, click Confirm Shipment, and then enter the carrier and tracking number exactly as provided. This step is essential because it updates the order status and allows the customer to track their package through Amazon. Finally, monitor the shipment until it is delivered. Keeping an eye on the tracking helps you catch issues early, such as delays or delivery exceptions, so you can respond quickly if needed. That's the full process for fulfilling an existing Amazon order using Sam's Club. If you follow each part carefully, especially product matching, address accuracy, and shipment confirmation, the workflow stays simple and organized from start to finish.